In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to add a bank card to the Apple Wallet. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Adding a bank card to the Apple Wallet is one of the app's primary functions, so it is extremely simple to do and very straightforward. So in this video, I'm gonna go over all the steps with you. First, open the latest version of the Apple Wallet on any mobile device. Now, once you are inside of the Wallet app, if you look at the top right corner of the screen, you will be able to tap the plus button. So tap the plus button and you will see all of the things that you can add to your Apple Wallet. One of them should be debit or credit card. So this is going to be the primary way to add a debit or credit card issued from any bank into your Apple Wallet. You can also try doing this process when you go over to the specific bank app and choose your card from there. Usually there is going to be a button that automatically redirects you to the Apple Wallet labeled Add to Apple Wallet, but in this video I'm going to focus on this manual process. Once you choose debit or credit card, you just have to scan your card using your camera or alternatively enter the card details manually. So if the scanning doesn't work, you can manually enter the card number, expiration date, and the security code. Follow the on-screen instructions and your card is going to be added to your Apple Wallet. You will be able to see it there at all times. You can add multiple cards from multiple different banks and they are always going to be available as one of the payment options whenever you choose to use your Apple Pay to issue payments, either online or in-store if you use the NFC capabilities to make contactless payments. And like I said, you can repeat this process. Most cards will be supported and the only thing that you have to verify is the card number, expiration date, and the security code or CVV. And as long as you enter those manually or you scan the card, you will be good to go and the card is going to be properly linked forever to the Apple Wallet. You can remove it at any time or modify the details. I hope I was able to help you on how to add bank card to Apple Wallet. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.